Hello students, in this video I will complete in the Python core to complete and get the certificate. We have to complete all these list topics. So we reached in the last video more types, and here functional programming. Functional programming, we have a small project or problem to solve, which is related to Fibonacci. So we'll check it. This is a problem. Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number in the sequence is a sum of the two numbers that precede it. For example, here is a Fibonacci sequence for 10 numbers starting from 0. So 0, then 1, then 1 plus 0 equal 1, and then 1 plus 1 equal 2, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 13, 34, and so on. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci sequence for 10 numbers. So the required now write a program to take n variable number, include template. N, it's a variable. It may be 10, 100,000. It's a positive number as input and recursively calculate and output the first n numbers of the Fibonacci sequence starting from 0. So if we have a sample here as input is 6, the output will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay? So how to write this program? I wrote this program. It takes me about 1 hour to write it. So the number, the variable number, it's a variable NIM, and it will be integer, and I will use a function input to enter it by the user in the runtime. Okay, then I defined a Fibonacci num. As we know, to create a new function, we start with def, and then the name of the function with Fibonacci, and then parentheses, and inside parentheses will put the parameter or parameters inside it, and then there is a column. Okay? This is a comment. First two terms we can delete it. Okay, so you know how to write a comment. We start with hashtag, then we will put n1 equals 0. If nim less than or equal 0, print please enter a positive integer. You can't enter 0. elif nim number can be so 1 في print sequence up to num or 1. Okay, وهنا هيديني print n1 اللي هو also is 0. Okay, else n2 equals 1 where another variable t equals 0 while d less than num print n1 where nth it's another variable which equal the summation of the number and the previous one n1 plus n2 وهنا update الvalue n1 equals n2 n2 equals n for the next two numbers. Okay, and then we calculate d plus which is equal d equals d plus 1 incremental d. So this is a counter for the while loop. Okay, and this is the while loop. It's like for loop, but it's a while. So the condition here is d less than nim with d. This is a counter. So the counter in the last step is increment. You can increment it before, and then I'm calling the Fibonacci. Okay, so let's run it. When we run, it's okay. It's good. It works good for the test case 2. This is our output, and this is for n equals 10, and this test case 1 for input 5 we have this output. Okay, it's corrected. Okay, thanks for listening. And there is another case 3. If the input num 7, so the output will be this, and this is expected. It's okay. Okay. Thanks for listening.